It is 9:20 and financial expert Terry Savage joins us to discuss the child tax credit and answer some of your questions. Hey, Terry.
Well, good morning. We plan to talk about the tax credit, but look at the stock market. The timing is everything. Of course, I'm glad I'm here today. The Dow down 500 points, and all the cryptocurrencies down maybe like 30% overnight. It's been a back and forth, mostly back with all these tech stocks because China last week said that it was going to be very tough on financial institutions that use Bitcoin. They want to have their own cryptocurrency. And there's been a lot of speculation in these markets. So tech companies that own Bitcoin, like Tesla and even Microsoft, were hard hit the last couple of days. And overnight, let's look at the Bitcoin numbers now, down to about 30,000, where it hasn't been since January, down from a high of 64,829, down about 45%, that is, in just the last week or so. It's been quite a sell-off, and the markets are very volatile today. It's down 500 now. I'm looking at the latest numbers, a little more, but I think you'll see a lot of back and forth today.
All right, quickly, the child tax credit starting July 15th.
Okay, so the child tax credit has always been in existence, but they boosted it this year and they're giving it in advance. Here are the numbers: $3,600 a year now. That's kind of double what it was before. That's $300 a month for children who will be under age 6 at the end of the year. $3,000 child tax credit, $250 a month for children aged 6 to 17 by the end of the year. Now, what's different is people would have filed next year in April and gotten this credit on there. It's a refundable credit. So even if you didn't make a lot of money, you would have gotten a check from the government. Now they're going to start advance checks monthly, starting in the middle of July. So these are big numbers. This is critical. You don't get a check if you haven't filed a tax return. So a lot of people, moms with kids that are dependents, don't earn very much, and they don't file tax returns. So the government doesn't know to give you this refundable credit. I know tax day was earlier this week, and no one wants to think about it. But if you're a low-income person who never filed but has children as dependents, go to irs.gov/freefile and file your 2020 return. Or if not, they'll base it on 2019 return. If there's no return, file a return, and the tax preparer will show you how to file for this larger credit. So very important. You don't get this if you haven't filed a tax return. Very important.
All right. What would be a good investment if you take out some of your 401k money without paying a 10% penalty? That's a question from a viewer.
Wait. Well, let's back up. I've got to switch gears here for a minute. First of all, you can't, and once you're over 59 and a half, you can withdraw from your 401k and pay ordinary income taxes, but not the 10% penalty. However, why would you do that? Your money's growing tax-free. Stick with the investments inside your 401k. You're not going to beat tax-free growth of your money. It'll all come out later when you're retired and be taxed as ordinary income. But leave the money in the 401k plan and keep putting in more. And by the way, this is, every 401k plan has an index fund, the S&P 500 stock index. And for all of you who are going, oh my goodness, the stock market's down 500, Bitcoin's down 30%. This is why you have a retirement plan. You keep putting in that $200 or $300 or $400 in every paycheck. And then over the years, over the long run, it grows for you. Do not be worried about the ups and downs of the market every day.
All right, next question. I submitted my tax refund in February and I still do not have it. I look online and it says it's in process. It also says get your refund in 21 days. Plus side, I got my state refund. The thing is, my return is almost $8,000. Can you please help me?
Yeah, a lot of people waiting for their tax refunds, and the IRS is finally just finishing up on 2019 refunds, the stuff you filed last July. They're behind. They'll say they get to it, and they expect to get them out in the next month or so. The key word is patience. I think the IRS is trying to get out. Remember, it's the IRS's job to get out all the stimulus checks, to deal with the unemployment for $10,200, getting your money back. They're also sending out these checks for the tax refund, for the child credit, I should say. So the IRS is a very busy place. The one good thing about the IRS, as opposed to maybe the state of Illinois unemployment offices, the IRS is very organized. They're not going to miss you, but you need some patience.
All right. To ask Terry your questions, you can go to terrysavage.com. Terry, thanks again.
Thank you.
Time now for Around Town.